the newest way to get 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. Yes, even whilst you are sleeping. Now, YouTube is like a puzzle. It's all about experimenting what works and what doesn't really work. All right. And in this video, I'm going to show you the secret trick that those big YouTubers are using to get more views and more watch hours on their channel. Of course, it's not about sub to sub. It's not about watch time exchange group. This is the real deal. This is a method that I myself I have tried. It is working 100%. And so I decided to make this video to teach you guys how to use the same formula to be able to grow your channel very, very fast. And the last part of this video is going to shock you the most. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you understand every process that you have to take to be able to grow your channel and get 4,000 watch time as soon as possible. Number one is to create a playlist. Now, playlist is one of the effective way of marketing, and this will help you to generate 4,000 watch hours just in no time. And all you have to do is go straight to your YouTube channel and select the best 5 to 10 videos in your channel, and you are going to group them into one playlist and find a nice title that suits the whole video. All the videos has to align with the same topic. And then you are going to copy the link of that playlist and you will keep sharing the link. You can even share it in your description. You can share it on social media. You can even promote the playlist. And now when one person comes into the playlist, you are going to watch one video, watch another video, and watch another one as well, because it's a playlist. All right. So what if one person is able to watch at least 1 to 5 videos in your playlist, and each one video is about 10 minutes? So that means one person is generating about 50 to 100 watch time for you. So meaning within some few days, your playlist is likely going to generate about 4,000 watch hours. And this is pure organic. This is 100% legit. So playlist is one of the effective way to promote your content, to generate more views and more watch time in no time, even without spending a dime. Another way that you can actually generate 4,000 watch hours is by collaborating with other content creators on YouTube. And that is why YouTube created a new feature called Invite a Collaborator. Now, when you collaborate with other creators on YouTube, you can now send them an invite. So once they accept the invite, your name is going to pop up on their channel, especially on that particular video that you guys collaborated with. So yeah, subscribers is going to discover your channel. They are going to like your videos. They are going to watch your videos. Even whilst you're sleeping, your channel will start getting more views, more subscribers, and more engagement, which is going to skyrocket your watch hours. So you don't have to sleep on this new feature. It is 100% working, and a lot of creators are actually making use of this feature, which is why it is much more easier for the big YouTubers to keep going higher than the small YouTubers, because these are some of the tricks that the big YouTubers are using to get more views and more watch time. Now, another underrated formula that most people do not talk about is the Google Ads. Google Ads is very, very effective if you have the budget, because that is what the business owners are doing. So if you see your channel as a business, then why not advertise your videos? Why not advertise your content? You know, if you want to make use of the Google Ads to promote your content, all you have to do is to find the the best content, the best performing, I mean the best performing content in your channel. And then you can run ads on it like maybe $3 daily for 1 to 7 days while you upload other videos. Okay. And what this is going to do is that it's going to help you to discover new audience. Your video will be able to generate new audience because it is called marketing. YouTube is the same as YouTube because it is the same platform, one CEO. So when you are using Google Ads, it is still 100% organic. It is more like you're advertising your content. All right. So I see a lot of videos where people say that running ads on your content is no good, but it depends on how you understand it. YouTube made the Google Ads for you to promote your content. So why not use it? And this is what most of the big YouTubers are actually using, all right, to promote their channel. Unless you don't have the budget. But if you have the budget, it's worth it. So if you want me to make a video on how to create a Google Ads for your content, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to show you how to invite a collaborator, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to take you through the step-by-step process on how to create a an optimized playlist, let me know in the comment section and I'll be able to make a breakdown video on explaining those things because if I want to explain those things in this video is going to be very, very long. In summary, the first one is to create a playlist of the best 5 to 10 videos in your channel. And then number two is to collaborate with other creators on YouTube, invite creator, so that even whilst you are sleeping, your channel will be generating more subscribers, more views, and more watch time. And last but not the least, if you have the budget, okay, run ads on your YouTube videos, at least $3 a day, $3 to $5 a day for 7 days and you will see what I'm talking about. Even one video can actually generate 4,000 watch hours within 1 to few days. All you have to do is keep experimenting. Don't limit yourself. Experiment with different formula because YouTube has no specific formula. It's all about experiment. It's like a puzzle. You experiment and you see what is working for you, then you keep doing it. The more you do it, the more you improve. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video has been helpful to you guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment, and we are going to vibe in the comment section. Stay blessed and check out other videos as well that I have made for you guys. See you. Stay blessed.